Nothing is more annoying than slow Wi-Fi, right? You're in the middle of a movie or an epic game and suddenly, buffering. What gives? Let's break down the hidden reasons your Wi-Fi drags and how you can fix it fast. First, check your device jungle. Phones, TVs, tablets, smart fridges. The more devices you have connected, the slower things get. Next up, where's your router? If it's tucked behind the TV on the floor or hiding near metal objects, Wi-Fi hates walls and metal. Try moving your router to a more central, higher-up spot. Trust me, it makes a difference. Don't forget about interference. Microwaves, cordless phones. Even your neighbor's Wi-Fi can mess with your signal. Try switching your Wi-Fi channel or using the 5 GHz band for less overlap and faster speeds. Still sluggish? It might be your router's age showing, and outdated firmware doesn't help either. Check for updates or consider an upgrade, especially if you've got more than 10 devices connected. Also, background apps and hidden downloads can silently hog your internet. Close what you're not using, and pause big updates during work or game time. And here's a sneaky one: ISP throttling. If you notice your internet crawling at the same time each day, that might be why. Last but not least, security. An open Wi-Fi is an open invitation for freeloaders. Set a strong password. WPA3 if your router supports it. Quick fixes: restart your router weekly. Place it high and central. Limit unnecessary connections. Update your firmware. And if you really want the fastest, no-lag experience, plug your most important device straight into the router with an Ethernet cable. Try these tips and watch your Wi-Fi speed up so you can get back to what really matters without the buffering.